Need expert help. Google Ads and Meta Ads campaign getting impressions but zero conversions. What am I missing? Okay, so let's see your query, and then I think if I knows, I will be able to help you. Hi Ali, hello. I'm running into a frustrating problem with my both Google Ads and Meta Ads campaign. Despite setting them up, following various recommendations, the campaigns are getting impressions, but absolutely no conversions, no form fills, no leads. Okay, sad to hear. To give context, okay, let me make it bigger so you guys have a clear view regarding what it's being said. Okay, to give context, I'm advertising my international procurement services, which is already a niche thing. I gotta find clients who need to import a certain type of goods from overseas, so gotta target C-suite level people and then people with high intent to get goods from outside the country in general. When it's a bare bone request, I do sourcing, inspection, logistics, including clearing customs and the rest until goods arrive to the buyer in the country. Basically, end to end supply chain solution. More demanding requests can have me do a few additional things like setting up something from the ground, like starting a factory, designing it for efficiency to pump out X amount of products per day, or have a design be made by an OEM. Point is, this is definitely not B2C, and it's just a small percent of people in B2B who can decide who are my target audience. Everyone relies on inbound in this industry because it's the opposite of an impulse buy. They are either expanding operations or starting a new line of operations, sometimes just improving on the existing ones. Now, okay, so let me make this one bigger as well. Okay, so this is a bigger okay. Okay, now what I do is, out of the way, I set up a search command on Google Ads. No search partner, no smart. Okay, that's a good thing. Because most of the time newbies do the opposite. On a few countries, keywords are tied. 64 keywords, exact and face match only. No broad match. Headlines that start to the straight to the point. Find reliable suppliers. Asia plus Africa sourcing. Your global sourcing partner. Weighted factory. Descriptions. I did side links and callouts, no image. Put my logo, CPC to USD. I put 20 USD daily budget. Today I changed to maximize clicks in hope of getting more action. But yeah, thanks for reading all the way to here, and not I will not forget your help if it works. I won't just say thank you. I ran Google Ads for 4 days and didn't get any braces, let alone clicks or conversions. Desperately need help. The question is very long, but don't know where to ask because service is kind of niche. I'm starting to feel stuck. Might be fundamental flaws in my strategy or setup I'm missing. I'm happy to share screenshots or specific details if that helps. Would appreciate any expert guidance that can point me in the right direction to start generating real leads. Thanks, Ali. Okay, so I think that it's a long question, and I will now skip to your point of, you wanted to get impressions and conversion, getting impressions, but you wanted to get conversions on Google and Meta. First of all, please try to understand it's a B2B, not B2C. So you need a lot of trust. So for a trust, there are various things on the landing page: authenticity, reviews, customer testimonials, some video content, and along with that, some video content marketing on the Meta ads. You can use Meta for retargeting or connecting with the people who have visited on the Google ads. And then for the Google ads, the keyword selection you are doing plays a role over here, and then what's your landing page is. And I think that the 20 USD dollar budget is very limited. Also, your campaign needs optimization of the Google ads. There are several things need to be optimized to get a better quality score, which can help you in reducing your CPC cost. But 20 USD is very less, and you just changed to maximize clicks today. But I think that you need to start from maximize clicks for now, for some time. Give it a time so that the Google can figure out what kind of real audience is for you. And is your tracking is working well. Conversion tracking is being set up. Are you using any fraud clicks managers tools, analytics behavior to understand what kind of people are coming? So I think there are a lot of factors to see. So I may need a lot of things from you to figure it out. But yeah, if anyone is stuck in a position, please try to understand not all of the things need to be done by your own. You need a professional like us. And no, it's not, I'm not doing self marketing, but actually trying to help you and aware you that you are going to waste more money than saving money. Why? Because if you practically test on you're going to waste a lot of money. And again, 20 USD dollar is too less budget for this niche. So you need to have again, as you said, like somewhere on 1%, You are actually looking for that 1% of the audience. I don't know where you said sorry, but he said somewhere that you are targeting 1%. Actually, that is in reality a true statement, that you are only targeting 1% of the real audience. And in order to take the maximum, just like it's just a small percentage of people in B2B. So these things need a lot of work: your landing page, your campaign strategy, and how you are shifting your traffic from Google to Meta. All of these need interconnection. Then you may be able to finalize and create an amazing strategy. So yeah, these are a few of the things, through which you get conversions. Eventually, every company main goal should be getting conversions, not impressions, which is why a highly optimized campaign with a highly optimized landing page with various tools including fraud click tracking, analytics, user behavior, conversion tracking, and other things are required to generate the maximum out of the campaign. So if you are stuck in a similar position like this, you are more than welcome to hire me and my company, and we are going to help you to get a detailed audit insights. And yeah, we'll look forward working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I hope you like this video. We look forward working. Take care. Bye bye.